to approach spark plug VZ Commodore 2007. You have to, this is spark plug, you have to take this out, and this bolt here as well. So 3 of them on one side. So you have to lift air manifold, they call it. You have to choke it, keep it up, otherwise you have no approach to these screws, right? And then if you're doing first time, you're going to break gasket, paper gasket on that manifold, paper gasket. So before doing anything, you have to buy proper gasket, metal gasket from Holden dealer. Just a sec. That's a gasket, metal one, and then you can use few times, no problem. Look at those bolts. You have no way to take them out unless you lift this, unless you lift manifold, right? So you need various extensions, wrench and sockets.